Yeah, hi, this is Milan from MK Designs, and today we have a motorcycle, the Royal Enfield SuperMeteor 650 with us. And today I'm going to showcase you the parts that we have designed for the motorcycle. Let's show you the motorcycle. And the part is called the BellBottom Fenders. So the idea behind designing these fenders is that we need it a little bit more beefy and a good character to the motorcycle. So when you have these installed, it gives you a very good road presence. Design of the fenders has been in a way that it follows the retro and modern lines, which follows through from the start to the end of the motorcycle. About the key features of the fenders is that it's a direct replacement fender. So you just need to remove your stock fenders, and it has all the character mounting points and everything. It matches the motorcycle and it's direct replacement, bolt-on fit for the bike. So it will come in all standard colors that come with the Royal Enfield SuperMeteor 650, and you can directly buy it from our website, that is www.mkdesignsindia.com, or you can directly contact me on my phone number, that's 9909944033. Thank you guys for watching the video with us, and soon we are coming up with more parts and accessories for the SuperMeteor. Stay tuned. Bye.